Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. This is another thank you video from me to you. Thank you very much for your time. KHK 360 now is 2,500 plus subscribers and has got over 2 million views. Wow, 2 million plus. These are numbers which I never thought KHK 360 would cross ever. I know options are plenty, so all the more grateful and thankful I am for your time. What is next for KHK 360? Well, my perspective is as follows. I just hope I continue to have this energy, enthusiasm, and positivity to keep jumping regularly, keep posting videos regularly, and most importantly, engaging with all of you through the comment section. And in the process, if I'm able to encourage someone, inspire someone, motivate someone, and of course, yes, help answer a question or help someone, the journey would be very satisfying. So that is what I feel about the way forward. I thank you once again for your time. Till I see you in the next video. Enjoy your jumps. Stay safe. Take care. And bye-bye.